Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take pictures without touching the button in Android, or how you can take pictures with hand gestures. So in here, you can just open your camera on your Android phone. Okay, after this, you can just go to the settings at the top right corner and click on the more settings, and in here scroll down until you find the photo section, and here click on the shutter button, this one, shutter option. And in here you need to just enable this option, so you can just click on the circle here until it turns to gray or blue, and you can just show your palm to the camera to take a photo. So let's go back. Okay, but this can only be used if you are taking a picture using the front camera. So I'm going to switch the camera first. Okay, so what you need to do is just show your palm to the camera and do it like this. Okay, you can see at the screen there will be a countdown and the image will be taken. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.